was say data in Ghana is too expensive. Into Oko MTN for Oduhona MTN for so no man engage panel MTN and Crocodile John. DSTV and the price of promotion album. Oh dear, to the same amount, they will upgrade you. My can say here an upgrade.
Let's be clear. Eligibility and upgrade. To participate in the promotion and quality for an upgrade to the next higher package, you must join the promo period, be active, new, or disconnected DSTV.
Is this not a promotion? And our channel said no. Initially, when you buy the basic and this and the bouquet, what? I mean, what is this? Hello, hi, Xposed GH. The name is Ben Bruce. Baby, I will be a mean shaka siena and mount. Subscribe me the 2 man. I will say, and ya, I can be. Sam Nati George, Minister of Communication. For a while now, he's saying that he's working. But he's working and I don't see the work. Unless somebody tells me what work he's doing. I was say data in Ghana is too expensive. Into Oko MTN for Oduhona MTN for so no man engage panel MTN and Crocodile John. Any other telcos, you know. Now what they did was that you buy. When you buy, you add more data. Now data no the car it can say you same bolts. So say what data on the various telcos now. Speed that they call you have no idea. Into Oko mom no say Oko yard here no. Say no aba bibi e wo ho. Now say I was starting with DSTV. And you'll come back and forth. I will close you down. I will close you down. I will close you down. And then we'll be a press conference. Press conference, you come there back. Make us.
If you're on the family package, which is currently valued at 190 Ghana cedis, DSTV will automatically bump you up to compact, which ordinarily goes for 380 Ghana cedis. You get 22 more channels and actually get access to live football matches. So anybody on the family package which previously didn't get live football matches would automatically get live football matches. The value savings on this, 50%.
I press conference Nina near full say Sawuka basic package now. Odia man basic no. Naka say bia 20 cities but matter so about 15. Na bia your friend is saying the other with accessories, you know, 30 material. That was the reduction Ghanaians were looking for. But I say, no, DSTV and the price of promotion album. Oh, dear, to the same amount, they will upgrade you. My can't say here and upgrade. No, sometimes, no, our leaders, no, I don't know the kind of thinking that goes into it. We let people feel so we are intelligent, but we are not. Because say fight when now call fight the any time. Because say data has become more expensive than it was some time ago. Obio Yusu mobile money, which I know, especially we use data a lot. Say auto data and a week, me data me to every 200 Ghana. I'm telling you. Besides who say, and I am not rich. I'm an average person. And to Mr. say, how can you keep up this? Look at the kind of monies that the telcos are churning out from us. You might say, I know their way, but phone has become a necessity, a basic necessity that everybody needs. Now, rates no Nigeria and South Africa, no, especially the leading telco in Ghana, MTN, they should bring that. The data, they should bring it to the level of what South Africans, because we share our data, now they compare Ghana, we pay abnormally way much. I don't get it. It's either we are not educated or they are trying to fool us, and that is exactly what DSTV has done to Honorable Sam George. But what they have done is to just give you a promo package. Christmas, yes, oh God. Yes, okay, to basic near my way. They do it all the time. To send here a sing telcos now. Honorable Sam George, you didn't do any work. Now when I call media said GH1 said no more interview no. Now the guy was asking him very intelligent questions. Let's go and see.
These guys don't get much because these guys, so basically anybody on premium, he
Who
can
chooses to stay on premium.
Why would he choose to stay on premium then? Because if he comes to 570, he will still get a premium content.
There are people who are price agnostic.
Okay, they have a lot of money.
There are people who are price agnostic.
Because this automatic entry into a competition is more like a raffle. So basically, there's no real benefit to anybody for staying here except to be in a raffle. Because if what you're saying is true, the people here can downgrade to Compact Plus and still get all the premium bouquet. You are sure about this?
Absolutely.
Except the raffle.
And except the raffle. And that's exactly what we announced today. It's not
So
a
let's stay
question
there.
of if.
So
it is what it is.
So what sense does it make for a person to stay here or to get to be able to go and watch an EPL match?
There are very interesting, two very interesting games in January that they are offering tickets to. So people are going to look at that as well. And look, like I said, there are people who are price agnostic. But Bernard, I don't think that, again, I told you that we looked at the demographics and we know where a bulk of the customers are. Some of the people who are 865, I'm a premium customer, okay? I can choose to remain at 865.
Fair enough. Second point, just a second point.
Yeah.
Do you need to do anything? Today is 29th.
Yes.
Wednesday is 1st October.
Yes.
Do you need to do anything to benefit from this?
No.
Because in their June iteration, one was supposed to pay for this to be activated.
So I've heard people say that this is nothing new. DSTV has done this before. That's not correct. And that's why in the press statement I did, I said this is unprecedented in DSTV's own marketing models. Because what DSTV has normally done is to say that you must be an active subscriber, you must renew before the expiration of your current subscription, and you enjoy it for only 1 month. And even in that...
Hold on. What I have here, let's be clear. Eligibility and upgrade. To participate in the promotion and quality for an upgrade to the next higher package, you must join the promo period, be active, new, or disconnected DSTV subscriber in Ghana. So this applies to all.
Once again, is this not a promotion? And our catcher said, no. Initially, when you buy the basic and this and the bouquet, what? I mean, what is this? Is it what we are paying people to do? Simple. The basic, if it's 599 to super 300, let it match the standard that we have across. That was what we were fighting for. Don't come and give us promotion in the name of I have delivered. You have not delivered. And this has been the bane of Ghanaian politics. Obudu oya, nie do rada nim ya. Na broni fita bia, obeba no, na asem no obeka no, enye no no koe. Honorable Sam George ya no wate so ka say Mahama ba within first 3 months, one pass gay law na so betu Africa now. Usane, why di? Me catch them say politicians don't mind them. Oh, we never back home. And the people were saying, oh, the minister is working. What work is he doing? Me say, the data, it has become now more expensive. Because what the telcos did was that, okay, Oto will say that they will add 30% more. 30 now already count and brutal. My example. Over MTN, just for you. Before year 2 muno. Now just for you no package be 3 days no utia 12 cedis for 2.4 gig. And now almost more data just for you and the same thing. I'm telling you. The rest of the packages now is even more expensive now to be on data with our telcos than to go outside. It's the Honorable Sam George. Come again. What we want to do, go back to the telcos and tell them, say, data no cash or matters, they didn't do it. Because if it means I'm going to enjoy it for what? Much longer time. Say, on 3-day package now, mitime tono, auto 3-day 2.1 now, within 1 day now, 12 cities. Where are we going as a country? We need to let them know. aha Xposed GHFM bro subscribe share. Minute 2 ma na wonsa akabi manuesi.